While Nevada Republican Governor Joe Lombardo still faces a $20,000 fine and a censure for wearing his sheriff's uniform and badge and campaign materials, which a state board said violates a law prohibiting candidates from using government resources for their personal campaigns, he avoided nearly $1.67 million in fines initially recommended. Ross Armstrong, executive director of the Nevada Commission on Ethics, originally asserted Lombardo racked up 68 ethics law violations stemming from 34 social media posts. Each contained at least one of 4 images of Lombardo wearing his sheriff's badge or uniform. Armstrong argued each post violated to state statutes. But the commission ruled there was just one violation per image, not one for each time an image was used in campaign materials. Attorney Elizabeth Bassett argued in the 3.5-hour hearing that Lombardo's sheriff's badge was an example of government-owned property that gave him an unwarranted advantage on the campaign trail. Wearing the uniform and badge insinuated Lombardo had the endorsement of his public office in what she called a willful and repeated violation of state law. The civil penalties of this amount, or even near this amount, would in fact be unprecedented, Bassett said. However, the subject's conduct in these matters were unprecedented and therefore requires an equivalent penalty.